Hello everyone, today we're going to walk you through how to log into your AIB online banking account in really less than 2 minutes. So first, open up your browser and go to the AIB website. So once you're there, simply click on the login button at the top of the page. Right after that, you then see options to choose the type of login. So most people actually select internet banking for their personal account. So next, as you can see here, after selecting internet banking, you also need a few things ready. So your registration number, personal access code, and either your phone or card reader. So if you haven't registered yet, there's also an option to register for internet banking. And if you've forgotten your registration number, you can also recover it here too. Next, you then have to enter your registration number or email, then click continue. And after that, type in your personal access code, which is also your PAC. Then also remember to keep this safe and private. So depending on your account, you might then complete the strong customer authentication if you're using the AIB mobile banking app. So you also get a confirmation to approve the login. And if not, you might also need to verify with a code sent to your phone or email. And that's it. So once you're logged in, you'll then be able to check your balances, transfer money, pay bills, or even manage your accounts right from your dashboard. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.